All right, let's get it started with our phase two practice. Now, if you did this problem and you got positive 19 and negative 11, you probably don't need to watch me go through it. But if you'd like to, that's fine. I'm about to do it right now. What I want to do is I want to start by getting this in the proper format. When I complete the square, when they tell me that that's what I need to do, I need to make sure that my C term moves over to the other side of equals. So I'm going to take my 2x squared minus 16x, and I'm going to add that 418 over and make it positive. Then I have to get rid of the coefficient. To get rid of the coefficient, I've got to divide everything through by 2. And this is another one that's glorious because it divides nicely. This turns into 209. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find my B term. I'm going to take half of my B term, and I do that by dividing it by 2. So I have negative 8 divided by 2. That's going to give me negative 4. I'm just going to write it right there. And then I'm going to square it. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. And that's what I'm adding to both sides of equals. When I physically go and complete my square, that means I'm making a squared factor. 209 plus 16 gives me 225. And on this end, I've got negative 4, which is going to go over here as my square term. So I hope you notice that using my colors, like where the things are coming from. That was my hope there. Now I've completed my square and I'm ready to go into square root mode to solve this thing. So again, I'm going to square root this guy on both sides. When I square root, they're inverses, so the stuff underneath falls out. So I've got x minus 4. And then equals, and this square root is plus or minus square root of 225. And we know the square root of 225 is 15. So I'm just going to have x minus 4 equals plus or minus equals plus or minus 15. Then I'm going to split them into two equations. X minus 4 equals positive 15. X minus 4 equals negative 15. I'm going to solve each of these for x. I'm going to add 4, and that's going to give me 19. And I'm going to add 4, and this is going to give me negative 11. So my final answer, positive 19, negative 11, those are my x-intercepts, my roots, my zeros, my solutions, my everything. That's what these are right here. These are my anchors to the x-axis. All right, get ready for phase 3.